Hello, good morning students. See, welcome back to our e-learning session and it is initiated by Vidyadish Vidya Sankul under the guidelines of Dr. G.M. Sutaria sir. Okay, now see that here we complete up to illustration number 26, right, in our last lecture. Okay, and I was give you the homework of exercise 1.3 full, that is question number 1 to question number 12, but only 4 sums are remaining, that is 9, 10, 11 and 12, and I hope you complete that. And some students ask me about the doubts of exercise 1.3, some questions from this, and right now in this lecture we are doing that particular doubts. Okay, and if you have any further doubts, then ask me, WhatsApp me, or we will discuss it in our regular lecture. Okay, so now here we are doing in this lecture exercise 1.3, doubts of your side. Okay, now let's start exercise 1.3, but first of all see, this is your lecture number 15 of statistics part 2 chapter 1 probability. Okay, so we are doing your doubts, that is exercise 1.3. doubts lecture, right? Okay, now see exercise 1.3, first question from 52 cards, and now it is very easy. All you are done already that, and it is very easy. It is as per the illustration number 20. So I hope you all complete that, and there is no doubts from your side right now. Okay, so question 1 is over. Now 2, books are arranged. See here the arrangement is there, that's why we have to do that arrangement in question number 2 and question number 4, right? No, only in question number 2 only arrangement is there, that's why we have to use the permutations, right? And we have to finding out the probability, that is also easy. Again the third question is for the card, that is 52 cards, we have to find out the spade card or as illustration number 20. Okay, so it is also easy for you. Question number 4, you have to find out the numbers which are multiple of 3 or 5, which are we already did in exercise 1.2 as well as in the examples. Okay, so it is also easy for you. Question number 5, question number 3. Now question number 5, 2 balanced dice are thrown simultaneously. Find the probability that the sum of the numbers on the 2 dice is a multiple of 2 or 3. See, this is somehow difficult, but I hope you all complete this. If you have doubts in this sum, then please ask me. Some students give me the difficulties, the doubts, then in that case there is no difficulty in this sum, but I hope some students have doubt in these sums, so please ask me if you have any doubts. Okay, and we will discuss it at that time, that is later on. 6 sum is also easy because P of A, P of B and P of A intersection B, 3 already is given, and we have to just find out P of A union B, that is also easy. But same way illustration question number 7 is somehow difficult. I am reading that because some students have doubts from your side. 2 aircrafts drop a bomb to destroy a bridge. See here the question is very lengthy, 4-5 line questions are there, and first of all we have to understand that questions, then we have to write down the probability given into the question, and then we will discuss about the answer, right? Then we will put the formula for that particular answer. Okay, so we have to first understand the question. That's why I'm reading the question in full. Two aircrafts drops bomb or to destroy a bridge. The probability that the bomb drop from the first aircraft has the target is 0.9. So target is 0.9 means what? Here the probability that from first aircraft the bomb is dropped, that is the probability is 1 P of A is equal to hit the target. See, hit the target from first aircraft is 0.9. Probability to hit the target, that means here the first aircraft drop a bomb and it is directly hit to the bridge. That's why that is the probability to do this is 0.9. Okay, so here P of A, first probability is already given 0.9. From first aircraft drop a bomb and it is destroyed to the, it is directly targeted on the bridge, drop on the bridge, and the probability for doing that is 0.9. Okay, and the probability that the bomb from the second aircraft hits the target is 0.7, that is P of B. The probability of one bomb drop from both the aircrafts hitting the target is 0.63, that is P of A intersection B, because from both the aircrafts the bomb is dropped and both are hit the target, that is drop on the bridge. That is the probability of P of A intersection B is 0.63. Now see the main point. The bridge is destroyed even if one bomb drops on it. See, only one bomb drop on it, bridge is destroyed. Okay, so find the probability that the bridge is destroyed. That means here indirectly they ask that at least one bomb drop on the bridge, then bridge will destroy, and we have to find out the probability of destroy the bridge. So indirectly, see, not directly they ask about the union. Here they ask about the union, but at least word is not used. The word, the last two sentence, see that the bridge is destroyed even if one bomb is dropped on it, not from first aircraft, not from second aircraft, not from both, only one, right? Or not only one, you can say at least one is dropped on the bridge and bridge is destroyed, right? We have to find out the probability that the bridge is destroyed, right? So at least one bomb is dropped on the bridge is destroyed. So we have to find out the bridge destroyed probability. That's why we can say we have to find out the probability of at least one bomb drop on the bridge, right? That is P of A union B. At least word is right now that. Okay, indirectly they ask about the at least word. Only one bomb is dropped on the bridge and bridge is destroyed. That's why we have to find out that is at least one A or from B or from both, right? Or is that. So here, what is the now? See here, first thing, event A. Bomb drop from first aircraft and hit the target. That is probability is P of, that is the probability. So P of A is equal to 0.9, it is given. Bomb drop from first aircraft and hit the target, that is the probability of first aircraft, that is P of A is equal to 0.9. Now event B. Bomb drop from second aircraft and hit the target. That is drop on a bridge. B of B, second probability is given 0.7. Third, event A intersection B. What is that? See here, the one bomb drop from both the aircraft hitting the target. That is P of A intersection B is equal to 0.63. Right? Now, what is the question? See, the bridge is destroyed even if one bomb is dropped on it. And we have to find out the probability of bridge destroyed. Right? So, main question, event A union B bomb drop from any one aircraft, anyone, right? First or second, right? Anyone means what? Bomb drop from any one aircraft and hit the target, right? We have to find out what that here. The bomb is dropped on the bridge and bridge will destroy, right? That is the target, right? That is the main probability. So here probability that P of A union B, we have to find out that. And what is that? A plus B minus A intersection B. Now it is very easy. We just have to understand what they want to ask, right? It is given in a theoretical way. The question is given in a theoretical way. We have to just understand that thing. Then after that we have to use just formula and we have to put the values into that. And now it is very easy because here 0.9 plus 0.7 minus 0.63. So the probability is 0.97. The required probability is 0.97. The required probability is 0.97, right? It is very easy, but here the question is twisted in a theoretical form. That's why it is difficult to you, but now it is very easy. First of all, write down this and then we will discuss your next doubt. This is your exercise 1.3, question number 7. I hope you complete this. Now the question number 8. You are writing this, but I am now seeing the next question. See here again in question number 8, the probability that a teenager coming to a restaurant for a dinner order pizza is 0.63. What is that? P of A One thing is that teenager coming to the pizza house, and here they asking about the pizza in a dinner, right? That is the probability of asking that, of ordering that particular pizza in a restaurant by the teenager is P of A is 0.63. Probability of ordering cold drinks, if they are ordering about the pizza, then the probability is 0.63. If they are ordering about the cold drinks, then the probability of that is 0.54. P of A is equal to 0.63, P of B is equal to 0.64. And that the teenager orders at least one of the pizza or cold drinks, that is P of A union B. See, at least word is there, not both. Not both. Here they ask about the at least word is given. So P of A union B is equal to 0.88. Find the probability that the teenager coming for dinner on a certain day order only one. Underline that particular word, only one. What means of that? We have to find out. See, only one, for only one the formula is there. I am writing that formula in our previous lectures, that P of A plus P of B minus P of 2P of A intersection B. For only one, what is the formula? P of A plus P of B minus 2P of A intersection B. Okay, so first of all we have to find out A intersection B from A union B, and then use this formula and we can get this answer. Okay, I hope you complete this, because from your side there is no doubt in this question, but I have to explain that. That's why I am explaining you here. Only one of the two items, that's why we have to find out only one. But for that we have to first find out from this formula. First of all we have to find out P of A intersection B. B of A union, because A union B is given, A is given and B is given. From this we have to find out first A intersection B, and then put the value, put the formula of only one. What is the formula for only one? A plus B minus 2P of A intersection B, and find out only one. Okay, so this is the formula. I hope you complete this. Now ninth sum, easy, because it is just like last illustration, that is illustration number 23, 4, 5 and 6. A and B are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. It is just like last illustration, that is 26. Here P of A is equal to P of 2P of B is given, and we have to find out P of A. Okay, again 10th is also easy. It is just like also illustration number 26. 4P of A, that is relationship between A, B, C is given. 4P of A, 5P of B and 3P of C all are equal, right? And we have to find out A union C and B union C. Also again write like illustration number 26. But now here the new question and your main doubts, that is A union B union C, using the following information about three events A, B, C in a sample space. That means here we have to find out P of A, P of union P of B, P of A union B union C. Here we have to use the law of addition for three events, right? And first of all, for given information we have to find out the values. See, we have to just put, see, it is very easy sum. Why it is here in your doubts? We just have to put the values P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of A intersection C minus P of B intersection C plus P of A intersection B intersection C. Just put the value into the formula. But it is, yes, it is new for you, because there is no any sums regarding this. Only formula is there, and that's why that is your doubts. Okay, we'll discuss that right now. I hope you complete this. Question number 11. Here we have to find out P of A union B union C. There is no any condition is given, there is no mutually exclusive or exhaustive events is given. A, B, C are the events of a sample space, and we have to find out just P of A union B union C, nothing else. And here what is given? See that P of A is equal to 0.65, P of B is equal to 0.45, P of C is equal to 0.25, P of D is equal to, not D, A intersection B, sorry, A intersection B is equal to 0.25, A intersection C is equal to 0.15, and P of B intersection C is equal to 0.2, and P of A intersection B intersection C is equal to 0.05. All the values are given here. We just have to find out the value, that is P of A union B union C, putting your formula, and in that formula we have to put just the value plus or minus, then your answer is ready. Nothing else, very easy sum. P of A union B union C is equal to, what is the formula for that? See here, P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus P of A intersection B minus P of A intersection C minus P of B intersection C plus P of A intersection B intersection C. P of A plus P of B plus P of C minus A intersection B minus A intersection C minus B intersection C plus A intersection B intersection C. Okay, so here we just have to, this is the formula, and we just have to put the values into the formulas. P of A is equal to 0.65 plus 0.45 plus 0.25 minus 0.25 minus 0.15 minus 0.2, that is 20, plus 0.05. So 0.80, or you can say 8. 0.8 or 0.80 is your final answer. Plus, 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 then minus, 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 and then plus. Find out in your calci. 0.65 plus 45 plus 25, 25, 25 cancel, minus, then 15 and 35 minus 5, that is 30, 30 minus 5, 15. So 65 plus 15, 80. So P of required probability for that. Therefore we can say, therefore required probability is equal to 0.8. 80 or 8, both the same answer. Okay, so it is very easy sum, and it is only for 2 marks. So please write down this. You just have to remember only formula for that, nothing else. Otherwise it is very easy. You just have to put the value into the formula. Okay, so I hope you complete this. Now your 12th sum is also in your doubts. Here three events, again three events are given here in the illustration 26. Three events are given, but find out the remaining events is the new question for you. That's why that is the doubts from your side. I hope that okay. So now question number 12 is the doubt, but first of all you complete this. It is very easy sum. See, I am reading the next question, that is illustration number question number 12. Three events A, B and C in a sample space are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. What is the condition for mutually exclusive? A intersection B, A intersection C, B intersection C, or A intersection B intersection C. All intersections are null set, that means 0 always, right? What is the condition for exhaustive events? Union is equal to U, or union is equal to 1. Total probability is always 1 in exhaustive events. Okay. Now if P of C dash is equal to 0.8, 3 P of B is equal to 2 P of A dash, then find out P of A and P of B. Yes, it is a mathematical question, right? We have to use the formula. It is also again a combination of mathematics and statistics, because we have to use the formula, that is the part of statistics, and we have to simplify all this, that is the part of the mathematics. Okay, so see, I am doing that on the board. Please concentrate here. Three events A, B, C are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. I am not writing out now what is the condition for mutually exclusive and exhaustive. That is, we already did in illustration number 26. Okay, so I hope you all remember that whenever exclusive intersection is equal to 0, whenever exhaustive union is equal to 1, nothing else. Okay, so now what is the information is given? P of C dash is equal to 0.8. One thing is given. Now second, 3 P of A is equal to 2 P of B. Sorry, 3 P of B is equal to 2 P of A dash. Right? Okay. Now we have to find out what P of A and P of B. See, twist is that compulsory C here, C is not given, C dash is given. A and B we have to find out, but the relationship between not A and B is given. A dash and B, relationship between A dash and B is given. We have to find out first of all A, then relationship between the A and B, and then find out A, B, C, and then find out C. We have to find out first C, P of C, what is P of C, then find out P of A and B relationship, and then find out P of A and B. So three steps are there. First step, what we have to find out that P of C is equal to what? 1 minus P of C dash. Because the formula for P of C dash is equal to 1 minus P of C. For finding out P of C, the formula is reverse, 1 minus P of C dash. Right? I hope you all understand that, because here this is done 2 to 3 times in our previous sums. That's why I am direct writing the formula. See, original formula is P of C dash is equal to 1 minus P of C. For that, if we want to find out P of C, 1 minus P of C dash, interchange, nothing else. And I am writing out right this formula. Okay, this is your rough work. Now what? C dash is equal to 0.8, so 0.2. P of C is equal to 0.2. Okay, now the relationship between these two is given here. Three P of B is equal to 2 P of A dash. A dash means what here? Again, P of A dash is equal to 1 minus P of A. We can write like that. P of A dash means 1 minus P of A. I am using this here. Therefore, 3 P of B is equal to 2 into bracket 1 minus P of A. Right? See here. I am writing on behalf of P of A dash, final 1 minus P of A, 2 into bracket 1 minus P of A. Right? Now simplify this. 3 P of B is equal to 2 minus 2 P of A. Right? 2 minus 2 P of A. Right? Okay. Now, therefore we can say P of B is equal to what? P of B is equal to what? 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 P of A. 3 here multiply. We have to transfer it on the opposite side. It is divided here on whole. So I am writing separately 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 P of A. Here 3 is transfer on the opposite side of is equal to. Okay, that's why 3 is the denominator in 2 also and 3 is the denominator in 2 P of A also. That's why 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 P of A. Right? Okay. And this one is your equation number 1. Because we have to use this information in our mutually exclusive and exhaustive events formula. Right? What is our formula for mutually exclusive and exhaustive events for 3 events? See that I am writing out here. For mutually exclusive and exhaustive events, P of A union B union C is equal to P of A plus P of B plus P of C is equal to 1. Right? This is the formula for mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. Now, here we have P of C, yes. We have P of B as equation, yes. And we don't have P of A, but we are writing out here P of A as it is, nothing else. Right? Because here P of B is converted also in P of A. Right? So I have to write this. See here. Now the twist, mathematical twist is here. See please here. Therefore P of A plus P of B plus P of C is equal to 1. Therefore A as it is P of A plus B is equal to 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 P of A plus C is equal to 0.2 is equal to 1. See, I am just putting the value here. See that P of A is equal to what? Nothing. P of A. P of B is equal to, I am finding out this. And I am putting the value of P of B here. Right? And P of C is equal to 0.2 and is equal to 1. As per the formula, A plus B plus C is equal to 1. So A plus this one is the B plus C is equal to 1. Now, see here, we just have to write down that therefore P of A minus 2 by 3 P of A is equal to 1 minus, see 2 by 3 transfer on the opposite side, that's why minus 2 by 3, and here 2 is also transfer on the opposite side 0.2, that's why also minus. Okay, so here what we have to do, see 0.2 we have to convert that 0.2 into fraction format, right? So here 0.2 is equal to 1 by 5, and here we have to write down that for better calculation. (0.2), see here 0.2 I am converting that 1 by 5. Write down in your calci 1 divided by 5. What is the answer? 0.2. I am converting that 0.2 into fraction, that is 1 by 5. Right? Now what the answer? See here. Therefore we can say P of A, that is 1. See here, this is your rough work. I am cancelling this and I am doing a new rough work here. Please see that. One minus 2 by 3. What is that? See, this is P of A is equal to 1 minus 2 by 3 P of A, 1 minus 2 by 3. What is the answer? See here, we have to write down 3 minus 2. 3 ones are 3 minus 2 upon 3, that is 1 by 3. So here we can say P of A minus 2 by 3 P of A is equal to 1 by 3 P of A. The simplification of this only is here. Simplification of this is here. 1 minus, this is 1 minus 2 by 3, that is 3 ones are 3, 3 is your LCM. So 3 minus 2 divided by 3, that is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 P of A is equal to, now again we have to calculate this 1 minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 5. So what is your LCM? 5 3s are 15 is your LCM. So here in the denominator 1, nothing else, that's why 15 we have to multiply. So here also we have to multiply 15. So 50 ones are 15 minus, here we have to multiply with 5. So again with 5 2s are 10 minus, we have to multiply 3 here. So 3 ones are 3. So 15 minus 10 minus 3. 1 minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 5. 1 minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 5. 5 3s are 15. 15 ones are 15. Here 2 5s are 10. Here 3 ones are 3. 15 minus 10 minus 3, that is 2 by 15. So your simplification of these is 2 by 15. Therefore, now we want what? P of A, right? Therefore, we can say P of A is equal to, this one is the transfer on the opposite side, 2 by 15 into 3 by 1. It is reciprocal. We have to multiply the reciprocal of these if we want to transfer. on the opposite side of the digit is equal to, then what? 3 5s are. That's why we can say P of A is equal to 2 by 5. 3 5s are 15, 2 by 5. Your first answer, see, we want what? P of A. Here we get the first answer. P of A is equal to 2 by 5. But it is most difficult because here this mathematical calculation is hard for you. Because see, here we just have to write down this P of C we are finding out, but we are converting that into the fraction 1 by 5. 0.2 is equal to 1 by 5. Now the relationship between these two is given, but we are transferring that also and writing out the equation number 1. Right? Now we are putting the value into the formula. What is P of A as it is, nothing else. P of B, what we are finding out, we are using that. P of C, that we are writing. But now we are first converting P of A minus 2 P of 2 by 3 P of A. We are just get together the P of A and P of A. All the events of P of A we are writing here, and all the remaining one 2 by 3, that is 1 by 5, we are transferring on the opposite side, that is 1 minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 5. Simplification of this 1 minus 2 by 3 is 1 by 3, so 1 by 3 P of A, and simplification of 1 minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 5 is here 15 minus 10 minus 3, 15 is your LCM, so 2 by 15. So here 2 by 15, 1 by 3, here we have to, this is the multiplication, that's why we have to transfer it on the opposite side and it will become a reciprocal. 2 by 15 into 3 by 1, the final answer 2 by P of A is equal to 2, P of A is equal to 2 by 5. And now here we have to put the value of P of B. To find out P of B, here we have to put the value of P of A into this equation and find out the P of B, that is your remaining question. But right now, first of all, write down this, and here in this area I am writing out P of B and calculate here in this area. So first of all, write down this and then I will write down that in that area. So write down this. I am giving you here 2 to 3 minutes for that. 1 minute only, sorry, not 2 to 3 minutes. You have to write down this in 1 minute. Please write down. Yes, this is your difficulty because it is a difficult sum on the basis of mathematics, not on the basis of statistics. It is difficult to calculate because the mathematics calculation is there. I hope you complete this, and if you are not completing, please pause the video, write down all these things and then continue. So here, after this, I am writing here P of B is equal to what? This one, 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 P of A is equal to 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 into 2 by 5. So here we can say 2 by 3 minus 4 by 15. So here we have to take the LCM for that. So is equal to 15 is your LCM. So here we have to multiply with 5. We also have to multiply with 5. 5 2s are 10 minus 4. 4 by 15. The final answer is 6 by 15. Or you can say it is cancelled. We can take a common from this 3, that is 2 by 5. Again, 3 2s are and 3 5s are. That's why 2 by 5 is the final answer. That means here we can say therefore P of B is equal to 2 by 5. P of A is equal to 2 by 5 as well as P of B is equal to 2 by 5 is the final answer. Okay. See here, I hope you complete this because it is very difficult as per the mathematical point of view. Here nothing else is difficult, but here the calculation is difficult. So please do this sum in your in your exercise book, as well as please make the practice of this sum in your homework, in your rough book 2 to 3 times. Okay, so it is very difficult one as per the point of view of mathematics. Okay, so please understand all these things 2 by 3 times, or if you don't understand then please see this video 2 to 3 times, and whatever I am explaining you here you have to see that, and this is your final answer. P of A is equal to 2 by 5 and P of B is equal to 2 by 5. So there is no homework, only you have to complete this exercise, that is exercise 1.3 in your exercise book. And here I am complete my lecture, and in my next lecture we show the difficult one, the main point, difficult point of the probability chapter, that is conditional probability. First of all, in this lecture, in the next lecture, I am explaining you the page number 36, 37, 38 and 39. So here there is no written homework, but you have to read all these pages, then and then I will explain you. So you have to read in detail page number 36, page number 37, page number 38 and page number 39. All these things, and write down all the formulas given here. Please write down one to one line, all the lines of this page in detail. Okay, so this is your homework, and here I am complete my lecture. Thank you class. Have a nice day. Bye bye.